Hello guys. Long time no see. Little bit of story time. बचपन से I had a huge, I'm a huge fan of cameras, how they look, how people shoot, वगैरह वगैरह. So I always wanted to have one. I remember during my 8th or ninth birthday, like when I was in 8th and 9th class, my dad bought me a Canon का जो कैमरा आता है, right? I'll put the image somewhere here. This and I went crazy. The amount of photos I took from the camera is insane. I think तब 10-12 हज़ार का था. It's still very costly. And तब से था कि भाई जब कमाऊँगा एक तो कैमरा लेना है. And of course I love talking to camera. I really wanted one since long. So मैंने बहुत सारा options explore किया. But the only problem that I was having is few constraints. First is budget. I can't of course spend a lot on a camera. तो मेरा बजट उतना भी बड़ा नहीं था कि मैं 2-3 लाख लेके एक बहुत अच्छा तगड़ा मिररलेस कैमरा खरीदूँ. एंड आई डोंट थिंक उतना नीड भी है अभी. फ्रॉम द इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएशन आई जस्ट नीड समथिंग रिलायबल, समथिंग who won't die in between. सेकेंड वॉज कि कितना पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है. एस बल्कि है तो इसमें बहुत सारे मिररलेस कैमरा तो हट ही गए बिकॉज दे आर बल्कियर कैमराज. सो उसमें इट केम डाउन टू GoPros, DJI एक्शन कैमराज एंड ऑफ कोर्स द famous Osmo Pocket. Then I rented the Osmo Pocket and I shot a few videos. Two problems that I faced with Osmo Pocket. First is there is a learning curve. अगर पता चल गया है कि कैसे काम करता है, you can't give it to someone and tell them कि shoot कर ले मेरे लिए, because you have to teach them also how it works. So it's not that easy. First, second कि it's very delicate. Like all the reviews that I read on Reddit, on Twitter, on Instagram, इसकी बहुत delicate होता है. The flip camera sometimes doesn't function properly. So बहुत सारा है. And as a person, I am very very clumsy. तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था कि भाई जो गिर जाएगा तो कुछ टूटेगा नहीं. And after all the permutation, combination, ये वो, asking people their opinions, for months, we finally have a winner. We finally bought home our first camera, DJI Osmo Action 6. Really happy it just came today via post because I ordered this from Design Info Mumbai. So let's unbox it, baby. Let's go. I'll just open it and show. I'm just a little happy. Box करते करते थोड़ा लाइफ का अपडेट दे देता हूँ. सिर्फ मनाली मैंने कुछ पोस्ट नहीं करा, but after that I left for the company that I was working, and currently I work at Cult. It's been a year and a lot of ups and downs. So yes, I bought the adventure combo of DJI Osmo Action 6. So adventure combo खरीदने का there were few reasons. The biggest one, इसकी 3 बैटरी आते हैं for it to use. क्योंकि इसका by notes इसका है कि 200 मिनट चलेगा, but you always need extra batteries. First thing that we got is a monopod. Amazing. Super lightweight, of course. It's DJI. So it is super lightweight. Terrible unbox guy. We have a C2C cable, of course. Bunch of accessories. So in the box there is Osmo Action 6. We have a battery, which I'll show. Wait. Oh. We have few attachment screws there. So yeah, basic stuff. This is the camera. कितना छोटा है and कितना महंगा है. So this is the camera, as you can see. खोल दे क्या? Amazing. So मैं features पढ़ के सुना देता हूँ of this camera. So it comes with all new 1x1.1 inch square sensor. उसका simple अर्थ ये है कि वीडियो वो 1:1 फॉर्मेट में शूट होगा, एंड वी कैन फॉर इंस्टाग्राम उसको 9:16 भी कर सकते हैं, फॉर यूट्यूब हम उसको 16:9 भी कर सकते हैं. So the power of adaptiveness is here, which is insane. We have variable aperture, we have cold resistant and 4-hour battery life. So we have an Osmo audio connection, which is of course a new spend that I have to do. I have to buy a DJI mic, and ये DJI mic के साथ wirelessly connect हो जाता है. We have a 50 GB inbuilt storage, but that's not enough, so I have to buy an SD card also. It's 20 meter waterproof. Underwater I'm coming. There is a Type C charging के लिए. भाई मेरी स्थिति इतनी गंदी है, मैं ये वीडियो मेरे मैकबुक पे बना रहा हूँ भाई। सिलिका जेल, लेट्स गेट द पावर बटन ऑन। वाह, धज्जिया उड़ गया भाई। कैन ओके, फॉर्मेलिटीज़ कर रहे हैं, तो फॉर्मेलिटीज़ करके मिलते हैं। गाइस वी आर डाउनलोडिंग द DJI Nemo ऐप, तो इट टुक ए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एंड उसके बाद मेरे पास शूट करने के लिए टाइम नहीं हुआ। सो ऑफ कोर्स जोक्स ऑन मी हियर, बट फाइनली वी हैव ऑल सेटअप। फ़ोन में ऐप आ चुका है भाई। एप्पल का पता नहीं भाई, मेरा तो कुछ तो बहुत गंदा फट रहा है। आई डोंट इवन नो क्या करना है। सो द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि आई हैव एन iPhone 12 एंड इसमें स्टोरेज ही नहीं बचता भाई, एक फ़ोटो के लिए स्टोरेज नहीं बचता मेरे पास। द DJI का ऐप एंड लेट्स जस्ट कनेक्ट बोथ ऑफ देम। सो द amazing stuff about this is I'm just going to show you कि whenever I want to see, अगर सोचो कि मैं ये कैमरा कहीं दूर रखा हूँ, ठीक है, somewhere far, very far, so I can see it here. For example, you can see the whole screen. See, मेरे पीछे एक येलो लाइट की बक्से दे रखा हूँ, you can see me also. Let's go. See, so for example अभी मैं कैमरा I'll keep it somewhere नीचे, ठीक है। So from this phone I can see the angle कि दिख रहा हूँ कि नहीं मैं, वगैरह वगैरह। I can see it, which is I think is a very necessary, very good feature to have. Finally I have my own camera now. No more excuses to shoot, nothing. Finger crossed कि I'll put more content out there. My OG 10th standard aura back. So before you guys go, just leave a like for the old time's sake. Looking at this camera, it's a big commitment for me. It's a very big cost for me. So I want to, make it worth it.
Yeah, you better.